In this video, we'll show you how to replace the thermostat on a Toyota Yaris. A faulty thermostat can lead to overheating or poor engine performance, so it's important to fix it promptly. Tools and materials needed: new thermostat, gasket or gasket sealant, socket set, screwdriver set, pliers, coolant, drain pan, gloves, safety glasses. Step 1, safety first. Park the car, make sure the vehicle is on a flat surface, disconnect the battery. Remove the negative terminal to prevent any electrical issues. Step 2, drain the coolant, locate the drain plug, find the radiator. Drain plug at the bottom of the radiator, drain coolant. Place a drain pan under the radiator and open the drain plug to let the coolant flow out. Close the drain when finished. Step 3, access the thermostat, locate the thermostat housing. The thermostat is typically located near the engine's water outlet. Remove necessary components. Depending on your model, you may need to remove parts like the air intake or engine cover for better access. Step 4, remove the old thermostat, unbolt the thermostat housing. Use the socket set to remove the bolts securing the housing. Take out the old thermostat, carefully pull out the old thermostat. And note its orientation, which side faces the engine. Step 5, install the new thermostat, prepare the new thermostat. Compare the old and new thermostats to ensure they match. Position the new thermostat. Insert the new thermostat into the housing in the same orientation as the old one. Apply gasket or sealant. If required, apply a new gasket or sealant to ensure a proper seal. Step 6, reassemble, reattach the thermostat housing. Secure it back in place with the bolts you removed earlier. Reconnect any removed components. Reinstall any parts you took off for access. Step 7, refill coolant, refill the radiator. Open the radiator cap and pour in new coolant. Check for leaks. Start the engine and let it run for a few minutes while checking for leaks around the thermostat housing. Step 8, reconnect the battery, reattach the negative terminal of the battery. Conclusion, and that's it. You've successfully replaced the thermostat on your Toyota Yaris. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Drive safe.